What's up, everyone? This is Yevgen from a local Canadian company, Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. Today I will show you how to enter service mode on an Electrolux washer. With the help of service mode, we can view error codes stored in memory. In addition to viewing errors with the help of service mode, you can perform a full check of all components of the Electrolux washer, without disassembling it and without using special measuring devices. Now I will show you step by step how to do it. Let's go! I turn on the power and set the indicator to normal mode using the round mode selection knob. I press the start button. I turn off the washer with the power button and immediately turn it on. After turning on the washer for 7 seconds, I need to simultaneously press the temperature and selection button for 3 seconds. I do it. The diagnostic mode is activated when the LEDs start blinking. In my case, there were no error codes displayed on the display, which is good since there are no errors in the washer's memory. Tests are selected using the same method as cycle. Test number are displayed when each test is selected. Exiting diagnostic mode. Hold the power button for 3 seconds when the display shows 00. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about Electrolux washer entering the service mode, questions about error codes or questions about any other appliances, leave comments and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.